And today we will be testing a Chamberlain My Q edition on this door. This is the door. I don't know what type of door it is. It's from Anderson Overhead Door Co. .co. Using the sensors on it, for those who want to know. I'm just making new content. I'm trying to see what my viewers that watch me like. There's no sensor. So, yeah, that's the motor. This is our control panel with a learn and lock button on it. This motor that we have here has unfortunately been acting a little strange lately. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, anyways, it's been acting a little strange. It's been vibrating a lot. That's why I'm not exactly so nervous, but kind of worried to run this. It's currently about 32 degrees outside as well. But anyways, I have to run this every morning, so what do I care? Let's hit an up roll. 3, 2, wait, hold on, ready? Just had to make sure everything was right. 3, 2, 1, go! See what I mean? But yeah, that's not right. Trust me, if you think this is bad, wait till it goes down. It absolutely sucks. So yeah, there's outside. I can't really show all of it, but let's run her down, folks. Oh yeah. Let's go. So yeah, I'm not gonna perform a sensor test because I don't know what would happen. Maybe when it gets a little bit warmer, or the next day when it's actually warm, by the way, here's the sensors lit up, I will actually run her. By the way, it is somewhat nighttime in my area, so it's really cold out, and I'm too lazy to put on a jacket. But there's your video for today. Maybe I'll create a short form. See y'all. Bye.